Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the workspace and moving fast. You run SSE Edit as administrator. This avoids file locks and permission errors. Once launched, select only the master files for Skyrim Special Edition, SKSE, Update, and Official DLC, then press OK to load. You make a quick backup of your data folder and saves before changes. That ensures you can revert. Now you're ready to open the first plugin for inspection and immediate edits. You focus on the core editing workflow, open the mod plugin and inspect records in the tree. You use the built-in filter to show identical to master, item records, navmesh problems, and orphan references, and then clean selectively. When conflicts appear, create a new patch plugin and move only the necessary records so you don't break dependencies. Once done, save the patch with a clear name. Make sure load order still lists it after the mods you patched. You finish by saving your edits, closing SSE Edit cleanly, and then running loot to verify load order. This prevents unintended overrides. Next, launch Skyrim Se, create a quick save, and load an area affected by your changes. Watch for missing textures or warnings in the console. If the game crashes or shows errors, immediately disable the last plugin you edited, restore your backup if needed, and reopen SSE Edit to inspect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.